In business analysis, documentation is crucial. BRD, SRS, and FRD are key documents. Each serves a unique purpose in the project lifecycle. We'll explore how these documents guide projects from concept to completion, ensuring alignment between business goals and technical execution. The Business Requirements Document, BRD, is the initial formal document crafted by a business analyst. It focuses on what the business aims to achieve, capturing goals, problems, and benefits. The Business Requirements Document communicates business needs clearly to stakeholders, setting the stage for further detailed documentation. The Functional Requirements Document translates business needs into functional expectations, detailing how the system should behave. It includes use cases and user scenarios, guiding developers and testers on what to build and verify. This document bridges the gap between business goals and technical execution, ensuring alignment with the Business Requirements Document. The Software Requirements Specification is a technically detailed document that combines both functional and non-functional requirements. It serves as a bridge between business and development, detailing system architecture, data models, and interface specifications. This ensures that the technical team has a comprehensive guide to implement the solution effectively. Business Requirements. Document outlines the why, functional requirements. Document explains the what, and Software Requirements Specification specifies the how. Together, they ensure the solution aligns with business goals and functions effectively. This harmony in documentation is crucial for project success, ensuring all stakeholders are aligned and the final product meets the intended business objectives.